Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. One of my most popular videos has been the stylus hack for the Cricut, and someone reached out to me to ask what the actual measurements were for the stylus. So I'll try to put a link to my old video, but this is using the Dollar Tree stylus tool. So basically all I did was remove the rubber grips from it. I used my Cricut, one of my Cricut pins, to put it up against it and measure so I could get my marking points. Well, I know not everybody has access to Cricut pins or wants to purchase Cricut pins, so someone asked me for my measurement. So the stylus tool actually has two ends. It has the small point end, and then it has a larger point end. So I'm just going to show you that from the small tip end to the point that you need to mark is about 2 1/4. So you should be going to this marking line right here for this end. Again, that's the small tip end. If we're going to flip it, the large tip end is about the same. It's about the same. 2 1/4, and that will be at the top of my marking point. Now when you go to put this in your Cricut, you do have to push it down, and I took these off because the rubber grips wouldn't allow my Cricut Explorer Air 2 to close and grip it. So for me, I did have to take those grippers off to allow it to be able to secure it and hold on to the actual tool. So there you have it. It's about 2 1/4 from each end that you can mark your line. And of course, if you find that 2 1/4 is not quite right, you may need to wiggle it up or wiggle it down to get it exactly how you want it. But that's a quick hack on Cricut Stylus tool from the Dollar Tree. I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and just so you guys know, I did actually just buy a Cricut Stylus. So at some point I'm going to use that, and I'll show you guys how that works as well.